I want to speak to every brother and sister that I have. My black brothers and sisters, my Asian brothers and sisters, my Arab brothers and sisters, my Hispanic brothers and sisters, and even my white brothers and sisters. Hear the heart of God. Please be done with bitterness. Please put away hate. We live in a great land. Let me shout it before you respond to me. It was founded by people just like you, flawed people. But those framers framed the liberties that every one of us enjoy today. If you hate America, please give me your alternative. Don't hate our founders. That's a lie. Don't discard their legacy. Well, they had slaves. Every one of them freed their slaves either during their life or upon their death. And we fought a civil war. Our nation has been washed in the blood of the bloodiest war ever fought to secure that we can stand here today and speak out against a curse. Maybe I could call it the birth defect of America. Over there's the Eckfeld family. They've got about 19 children living in their home, most of which were born with a birth defect. Shall we throw them away and say they have no value? Shall we throw America away? Should we throw the idea of America away because it's still not perfect? Or should we stand up and fight to make it a more perfect union? Let's stand up together, hand in hand, arm in arm, and let's build a nation better than the one our framers could even envision. We need you. We love you. We need you to be rooted in the rich, rich soil from which our republic sprang. Remember these words from Winston Churchill, will you? If we open a conflict between the past and the present, we'll lose the future. We have to dream bigger. We have to believe stronger. And as for me and my house, this is the time to stand tall in all the beauty of who we are and hold tightly to the wisdom of our fathers, to dream their dreams of a righteous America and become that generation where black men say to white men, and white men say to Asian men, and Asian men say to Hispanic men. Let's join hands together. And under God, let's be silent no more. Let's restore America.